Here are some tips for note-taking during lectures, and we're using 4 uses. It means using your pen, using your ears, using your body, and using your mind. What does using your pen mean? Well, lecture notes should be as specific and concrete as possible, so be precise about the lecturer's key ideas. It makes them easier to understand, remember, and apply. And also, you take selective notes. Don't try to copy information verbatim. Write down ideas from the lecture that are most salient. If you get stuck or desperate, write down single cue words to help remind you of the topic. Then go back and fill in your blanks later. Focus on lecture information that ties together or explains important themes. Use comparison and contrast to find relationships and to create mental filing systems to organize information. The second one is using your ears. Develop the intention to learn while you are in the lecture. You've made the effort and taken the time to come to the lecture. Make the most of your time by learning the information as you receive it. The more information you understand, the less you will have to memorize. Listen for clues. When a speaker takes a deep breath, changes her intonation, puts down the chalk, big things are coming. The third one is using your body. Get involved in the ideas and information being presented. Rather than thinking of yourself as attending in the passive sense of being at a lecture, think in terms of participating in the lecture, the way you would participate in a conversation. And sit up front to hear better, see better, and avoid distractions. Compare notes with fellow students to get their strategies for good note-taking. The last one is using your mind. Take a minute before class and anticipate what the instructor is likely to present based on. The first one would be the syllabus. The second one could be what has been presented in the course thus far. The third one could be a quick review of your notes from the last lecture. And the fourth one could be a quick glance at the readings assigned for the current class. So what is the relationship between information presented in lecture and information presented in the readings? In section, in the written work, in the problems assigned. Anticipate the ways you may be tested on material presented in lecture. And give yourself a pretest to help you to identify areas of strength and diagnose areas of weakness.